So here's a quick tutorial on how to get Freecash Report. First of all, open up the Freecash application on your phone. So once you're in the Freecash app, you need to tap on the menu icon on the bottom left corner. Here, you will get to see options like Leaderboard, Profile, Affiliates, and Rewards. Just tap on Profile from here. So once you're in the Profile section, you will get to see your profile details and your earnings. Now scroll down to the bottom and then select Support. So after selecting to the Support section, you will be redirected to this page. And here, you can see some pre-made options. You can go with those or select Chat with Us. Or you can go over to the Messages tab and select Chat with Us. You can also go over to Help for additional info. So from here, you can search for the report option or use the search bar on top. And if you don't find it, just use the chat feature and ask them to give you your report. So that is exactly how to get Freecash Report.